Margherita Pizza is one of the most famous pizzas in the world and comes from Naples, Italy. It is made with tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and olive oil. The colors of these ingredients resemble the Italian flag. Its simple recipe allows the quality of each ingredient to stand out, making it a foundation for many modern pizzas. Neapolitan pizza is considered the traditional pizza of Naples. It has a soft, thin center with a slightly raised and airy crust around the edges. The dough is cooked quickly in a very hot wood-fired oven, creating small charred spots on the crust. This style is often seen as the original form of pizza and remains protected by strict preparation traditions. New York style pizza developed from Italian pizza traditions brought to the United States by immigrants. It features a large, thin slice with a crisp outer edge and a foldable center. The dough is stretched wide and the pizza is usually sold by the slice. Its convenience and familiar taste helped make it one of the most popular pizza styles in America. Chicago deep dish pizza looks very different from most pizzas. It is baked in a deep pan, creating high edges that hold layers of cheese, toppings, and thick tomato sauce. The order of ingredients is often reversed, with the sauce placed on top. Because of its size and richness, a single slice can be surprisingly filling. Sicilian pizza comes from Sicily, an island in southern Italy. It is known for its thick, airy crust and rectangular shape. The dough rises longer than many other styles, giving it a light interior despite its thickness. Sicilian pizza is often baked in large trays and cut into square pieces, making it popular for sharing. Detroit style pizza originated in the city of Detroit, Michigan. It is baked in rectangular steel pans, producing a thick yet crispy crust. Cheese is spread all the way to the edges, where it caramelizes against the pan during baking. The result is a distinctive crunchy border that has become the signature feature of this style. California style pizza is known for creativity and fresh ingredients. Instead of following strict traditions, it often includes unusual toppings such as avocado, goat cheese, smoked salmon, or seasonal vegetables. This style became popular in the late 20th century and reflects the state's focus on fresh produce and experimentation. Roman pizza differs from Neapolitan pizza in several ways. The crust is usually thinner and crispier, with less softness in the center. In many bakeries across Rome, pizza is sold by weight and cut into rectangular pieces. The crisp texture and variety of toppings make it a common everyday food throughout the city. Greek pizza became popular in Greek-owned restaurants throughout the United States. It is often baked in shallow metal pans coated with oil, giving the crust a chewy texture and golden color. The sauce commonly contains herbs such as oregano, creating a flavor that stands apart from traditional Italian styles. Stuffed pizza resembles deep dish pizza, but goes a step further. After toppings are added, another layer of dough is placed over the top before baking. Tomato sauce is then spread above this upper crust. The extra layer traps ingredients inside, creating a dense and hearty meal.